Hello, welcome back to Pedal Savings. My name is Rosie, and I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope method to plan out her finances and to save money. Today we will be cash planning my third paycheck of February. So today's date is the 18th. So we will be planning out $138. So let's see. It's not going to be that much this week because I did not get that many hours that I hoped for the past week. So let's get into planning. 138. So as you guys know, my most important envelopes are wedding and apartment. So I think I'm going to only stuff those halfway this week because I know next week I'm not getting paid that much again because I didn't get many hours this week. So for wedding, let's do 24. Then apartment 29. Okay, so it leaves us with 85. And then let's do our second most important ones. So 25 for gas. And then let's do our savings. -5 for 2025. -2 for stupid Cupid. -2 for love letters. Then let's do 5 for flower power. Then I think this week I'm gonna put 5 and 5 in spending and eating out because I don't think we're gonna do that much this week because last week we did like a lot of things. We had one of my markets last Sunday, and then we had Valentine's, and I also had Galentine's. So I basically saved all my grocery money. So since I saved all my grocery money, I'm gonna do only 10 this week. It might bump up. I don't know yet. Buffer is gonna get 10. Then Derek and emergencies gonna get their $5. And then which leaves us 6. So let's do meds is not gonna get anything this week because I only fill it up every month. I only do $7 every month for meds. So beauty is getting 2, toiletries 2, and wardrobe 2 this week. So let's do the tallies of what money denominations we need. So groceries. Buffer 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2. So let's do the calculations, see if we're correct. So 20 times 3 equals 60. Then 110. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 45, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So let's make sure that's correct. Plus 10 plus 45 plus 23 equals 138. Okay, and that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video to when we cash stuff all this into our binders. Okay, I'll see you. Bye.